Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 87 of the small account challenge, and today I traded two stocks, CYN and GDZG. So today I'll show you my calendar. If you remember my recap from yesterday, I broke all rules possible. So today I did not average down. Today I did not hold my loser for over 10 minutes, and I was holding my loser for over $7.50, and it was by 50 cents only. So when my loser hit $8, it jumped right back up. So at some point I would say I broke this holding a loser for over $7.50. It was on 25 shares. It means that for 50 shares it would be $15 max stop loss. So I started trading CYN, then made some money on it, then jump on GDZG. So today is a green day. I'm up by $51.18 or 9.78%. A good green day. Let me show you my trades in a trader view. As you can see, today I made two trades. It puts me minus $11.45 on the week. I had a disaster day yesterday when I lost $62.63 just by holding and hoping. This was a very bad trade and a day. So this discipline was a zero. So however, let's take a look at today's trades. And I'm surprised today that I did not average down. I'll show you my trades on GDZG. On CYN, I knew that when I was adding to my position, I was already up on the stock, so I didn't add when the stock was down. So as you can see, I bought a stock when I was up, I would say around 2, maybe 250. So bought at 622. I think almost immediately I was up like $10. Then the stock dipped. Then when it was climbing back to VWAP and breaking VWAP, I added another 25 shares. But the problem with this stock was that we had multiple topping tails on it. As you can see, it didn't look pretty. So this is when I bought my first 25 shares. It jumped right here at 669 and I was up, as I said, around $10. I did not sell. Then as it was breaking VWAP, I bought it and added another 25 shares, and this is when I got out. And as you can see, it went up to $7.38, looks like. Yep, 7.38. So this was a trade on CYN. A decent trade, but ideally I needed to take my profit here on the first pop and not risking my profit on the way down. So it would be an ideal trade, but I did not sell, and this is where I got out. So GDZG. So bought on GDZG, I think 25 shares. Let me take a look. I bought on the dip, and I bought at 287, I think. 291. I bought 25 shares, and I was up almost immediately on this candle. As you can see, it went from 290 up to 308, dipped down a bit, and that's when I started selling. So didn't wait for a 350 level because we had topping tails, and I unload the last, I think, 5 shares on this red candle. I didn't like this red candle, but when the stock goes higher. I did not buy here. Would be an ideal entry at 340, 343. Yep. But I bought here. I bought, I think, like 10 shares, I think I bought here. And as you can see, I almost sold break even, maybe with $2 of profit, but it was a risky trade. And as you can see, from this, it just started selling off like crazy. Now it's trading how much? 238. And I got out at 368. So did not average down even on this trade, even though when I was buying as the stock was squeezing. Take a look. So bought 25 shares, was selling 555, and here I sold the rest. Then I started buying here, ate it at 358 and ate it at 362. Then sold at 368, 363 and 363. So was up a bit on this last trade, but it wasn't a good trade, to be honest. It would be good if I bought at 343 level, and then as it was squeezing I would sell for a profit, but I didn't do it. I bought right at the top, so it was very risky considering my stop will be, I bought at 350 and this is a stop 322. Very bad, very bad. So however, I'm green, up $51.18 on a day, pretty good. 100% accuracy on 2 trades, very happy about it. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And remember, trading is risky and my today's results are not typical because most of the day traders lose money in the stock market. So right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning guys, looking at ELAP, looks like it started moving a bit. We have 45 seconds until 7 o'clock. So the low on ELAP was 1170. 1170. $12.70 is the low of this candle. Just touched it. It's still a leading gapper on a day. going straight down. 200 I made 1208. CYN is moving looks like pretty fast. US company. I'm gonna buy 25 shares. Was trying to buy 25 shares of the stock. I think I already traded CYN before. I'm adding another 25 shares on CYN as it breaks VWAP. So the high on this one was 684. $6.33 needs to break. It breaking, nice. Soon I'm gonna start selling. This is a big green candle, pretty good. We'll see if it's gonna hold. It's holding, nice. We have 5 seconds left. $6.82. Trying to move higher. CYN is only 17% on a day. $6.50 on the us, $6.54. The high on this one was $6.61. It's moving higher, good. $6.84, we have double top. We'll see if we can break this double top for the move higher. $6.68, $6.70 on the ask. 20% on the day, $6.70, $6.73, $6.75 on the ask. $6.76 on the ask, $6.77 on the ask. We'll see if we can break this double top for the move higher. $6.85 on the ask, we're moving higher, nice. I'm selling my first 25 shares. Trying to sell, sold first 25. We'll see if it's gonna hold, if it's gonna move higher. Sold. Sold all shares. GDZG 51%. GDZG. I'm gonna try to buy GDZG. The high was 350 on this one. Low on this candle was 267, so I'm gonna be risking $10 for the break of UWEB. Bought 50 shares for the break of UWEB on GDZG. Very difficult to pronounce. Stop will be 267. 267 is my stop. UWEB at 306 on GDZG. The stock is climbing higher. Nice. Good. So I'm gonna start selling by 5 shares. Sold 5 shares on GDZG as the stock moves higher. I have 40 shares of GDZG. Can it reclaim the high of the day? Looks like it can. Have 35 shares of the stock. The high on GDZG was 351, 340, 339 on the ask, back to 333. We'll see if it's pullback. Sold 25 shares, I have only 10 left. And look at this, the stock is just reclaiming. Are you kidding me? Okay, I have 10 shares left at least. Sold 25. I have 5 shares left of the stock. You know what, I'm gonna buy 5 shares back. Trying to buy as it moves higher. So I have 15 shares left of the stock as it moves higher. So finishing my day green. I'm green on GDZG and also on CYN. Can't remember, on CYN I am green $31. Let's take a look at what the CYN is doing. Yeah, it popped up to 7.13, then dropped 40 cents. Crazy. So finishing my day. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And remember, trading is risky and my today's results are not typical because most of the day traders lose money in the stock market. So if you want to learn how to trade, first find your strategy,
practice this strategy in the simulator before putting real money on the line. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.